Formatting the headings. Heading tag. This tag is used to specify the headings in a web page. One document can have 6 sizes of headings ranging from H1 to H6. The smaller suffix gives a bigger size of heading. Syntax. Tag HN, heading, close tag HN, where N stands for numbers from 1 to 6. Heading tag has align attribute, through which the text can be aligned left, right, or centrally. Example: H1 align is equal to double quote center double quote. Database management. Close tag H1. This will align the text to the center. Similarly, left, right will align the text to the left or right of the page respectively. P. Paragraph tag. To display a long portion of text as a paragraph, P tag is used. Notepad doesn't recognize the Enter key, so this tag is used to start a new paragraph. It leaves one line blank between the two paragraphs. It has following attributes. Align attribute. This attribute of P tag specifies the horizontal alignment of a paragraph. It takes any of the 4 values: left, right, center, justify. The meaning of left, right, center is same as discussed in the heading tag. To justify means that the text evenly spreads between left and right margins. Setting the margin of the web page. Body tag. Top, bottom, left and right margins. These attributes are used to set the top, bottom, left and right margins of the web page respectively. The value is given in pixels such as 50, which will display the text 50 pixels away from the respective margin. Example: body top margin is equal to double quote 50 double quote. Left margin is equal to double quote 30 double quote. Right margin is equal to double quote 30 double quote. Bottom margin is equal to double quote 50 double quote. This will display the text 50 pixels away from top and bottom margins and 30 pixels away from right and left margins. BR tag. BR tag moves the preceding text or image on the next line without giving any space between the 2 lines.